Hey guys, it's Hamvention time. Oh man, I'm so excited. Can't wait. I love Hamvention. If you are ever get the chance to go, it's just epic. It really is. Everyone's there. Vendors, man, the used flea market stuff out there. It's just a great thing for ham radio. And I'm really looking forward to going. I want to give some updates. Last year when I was there, I had so many people that messaged me after and said, man, I looked for you the whole time, never saw you. Really wanted to meet you, wanted to catch up, and I felt terrible. So this year, what I want to do is on my social media, my other social media, I have a Facebook page for Coastal Waves and Wires. I'll give updates where I'm at. Let's just say I go to a booth or whatever. I'm going to be there for a while. I'll say I'm here, come by and visit, and hopefully I get to meet everybody. On top of that, I'll also put it on Twitter, or what we call X now. I'm on there as well. I'll put links to both my Facebook page and my Twitter account or whatever below if you want to follow those and keep up with me. I mean, some people want to meet me. If you don't want to meet me, good for you. But anyway, I just want to make sure that I can say hello to all the amazing, awesome people that subscribe to my channel, that support me, and that will be at Dayton Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio. I know. Someone always has to say, it's not in Dayton. I know, but it's still called the Dayton Hamvention. Anyway, I wanted to say that. I wanted to put this out there so people would know, would be able to follow me and catch up with me, because I'm not going to live stream. I know a lot of other people will. So all YouTube needs is one more ham tuber putting a live stream out. That's not going to be me. I will film some things here or there, stuff that I see, and give a nice recap of Hamvention after the fact. I did that last year as well, but I just want to go there and have a good time and be a ham. I am a speaker. I have my antenna forum Friday morning, 10:15 to 11:15. I did kind of say 10:30 on another video. 10:15 to 11:15. My Salty Waltz antenna building forum will be there. I've got a lot of good stuff there. Got stuff put together. It'll be an hour long. We'll go over some builds, some things I like, things I don't like, and just talk about antennas and have some fun. Take a few questions after that. Immediately after that, 11:30 to 12:30, I'm going over to the American Radio Relay League booth, the ARRL booth, and I will be there. If you're purchasing a book, I will autograph it. I don't know why anyone would want my autograph, but I'll give it to you. If you want me to sign the book, I'd love to do it. I'm flattered, I'm honored that you would want an autographed copy of my book. If you're watching this video and go, who is this guy? I just put a book out called Salty Waltz Portable Antenna Sketchbook. It's available from the American Radio Relay League. If you've already purchased it and you're coming to Dayton, bring it with you. Bring it to Hamvention, and I'll autograph yours as well if you'd like a signed copy. It'll probably increase the value about 5 cents, or it may decrease it because it's got writing in it. I don't know. But anyway, I would love to, and I'm honored to autograph your book. Or you can purchase one there, and we'll do it. I got some other places. I know Saturday, Radioddity is going to be there. I've been talking to them. I will be over at their booth for a little while, and I'll put it on both my X and Facebook pages there, what time that is and when I'm at that booth, to come over and visit me there at Radioddity. We all know lunchtime-ish on Fridays and Saturdays, we'll all be out there near the pork chop sandwich stand. If you've never been there, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but they're the world-famous eatery food truck there in the middle with world-famous pork chop sandwich. And you guys know how I am about food, especially at the end of my videos. So I'll be out there and walking around and having fun. I'm flying tomorrow. As I do this video right now, it's Wednesday. I'm flying tomorrow morning, Thursday, from Norfolk, Virginia. I'm home. This is Norfolk now. I'm at home. Flying from Norfolk, Virginia to O'Hare, and then from Chicago O'Hare down to Dayton tomorrow morning. Flying back pretty late Sunday, so I'll be at Hamvention all day Sunday as well if you're somebody that can only get there Sunday. But I'm flying through. Hey, if you see me in the airport, man, yell Salty Walt, come on over, and I'd love to meet you. And because it's just like I said, I really love the support and everything from people that subscribe to the channel, that support the channel. And I want to meet as many people as I can. If we do meet, let's take a selfie and then and send it to me, because what I want to do next week week when I do my wrap-up video is I want to put everybody in my video that I can that I met. So I want you to maybe snap a selfie with me and then send it through either the X account or through the Coastal Waves and Wires account, message it over to me. And I'll put you in the video, my next video as well next week when I do the wrap-up video of all of this. So that's it. That's where I'm going to be. I have a limited number, a little bit of swag, some stickers, pretty cool stickers, I think. I don't know. You might not want a sticker with someone else's call sign on it, but if you want one of these, while they last, I don't know, I've got about 500 of them. Hey, Walt, give me a sticker, and I'll throw a sticker or two at you, and you can put it on your Igloo cup or whatever. I know I have mine on my laptops and everything else, but yeah, that's where I'm going to be. I'm so excited and looking forward to seeing so many people that I just know through comments and through talking, through social media. A lot of other ham tubers that I do know personally and have met, they're all going to be there as well. So I'm looking forward to hanging out with those guys as well and having some fun and just enjoying Hamvention. I can't wait. I can't wait to take a look at that new Yaesu FT1X. That's going to be fun to see. Am I buying one? No, not yet. I'll let the newness wear off of that, and we'll see. But looking forward to that. And like I said, looking forward to hanging out with the Radiodity folks and putting bugs in their ears of what they should be building. You know what I'm saying, with Zygu and all that good stuff. But yeah, just looking to have a good time and looking to see you there. I believe tomorrow night, Thursday night, I will probably be at 4 days in May, the QRP thing. Their vendor part is from 8 to 10 tomorrow night. I think right now that'll be like the first thing I do after I go and pick up my credentials and get checked into my hotel and all that good stuff. But watch me. Please go links below to the Facebook page and the X page, pictures, things I'm doing, you know what I mean? Silly stuff that we all do. My rental car, what I'm having for dinner, the general, self-promotion. This is me. Here's my life. It'll be on there. But most importantly, where I'm at, I'll give updates. I'll say, hey, from 1 to 2, I'm going to be here, or from whatever. And I really want to meet you guys. I really want to just everyone to come by and say hi, and let's just hang out. Let's stay salty together. How about that? Anyway, guys, just wanted to put this quick video together. Say hello to everybody. I'm excited. Can't wait. And I hope I see you we'll say Xenia at Dayton Hamvention 2025. Stay salty, my friends.